So we're gonna be doing a little challenge with my girlfriend. So she got me this shift knob. We're gonna try and see if she can put it on by herself. Alright, what do you have to do to that though?
All these fingers?
No, you don't.
Oh, this is to make it longer.
No.
Okay.
Why is it? Shouldn't it be flush right there? Oh no. Alright, so you got the shift knob made.
Okay. I'm guessing that.
It needs to go on there.
I'm guessing that the bigger one, not this one, doesn't.
No. So you want me to give you a hint? Alright. Well, one of those is supposed to go inside the shift knob because it's supposed to be the size. There are 3 different sizes. No, you would not need a screwdriver. What are you doing? Try it. Take that one off. Try that silver one. It doesn't fit. Alright, I guess it's the gold one. Is that supposed to go in the shift knob? No, how would that connect to that? Come on, buddy.
Oh, I know what it is.
Let me see.
No. First, you have to install this on there.
Huh? No, it's supposed to have different sizes.
My guess is that we're gonna put this on there first.
You're making me look bad.
I know what to do.
No, you don't. No. Okay.
If we don't need any of them,
That might actually be right. So she has the adapter and the red piece on. Whoa, what? You got it.
I know. I told you I'm very smart. But
Good job.
I don't know why the hell we don't need any of them.
High five. It's because those bolts are for
They do?
different cars have different sized knobs.
I don't know if I like it.
You don't like it?
I don't know.
I think it
Kind
looks
of
pretty
small.
good. I want to feel it.
It's kind of small, right?
Yeah, I like it like
Can
that.
you get an extender? Can we use this one?
No, you can't use that one.
Was it okay if I keep these but like put them somewhere else?
Well, we don't need those because they'll.
Is this connected to this?
Yeah. So that's my old shift knob. Show them the old one. An extendo one. You didn't even tighten this all the way down. Look at this.
It's hard for
Oh
me.
my gosh.
Well, I was thinking
I would have
because
shifted.
I wanted the bag to like fit inside.
No, I would have shifted and it would have just flew off.
Why don't we need these?
Because I told you, man.
Why don't we need them?
They're 4 different sizes.
Wait, are you sure? I did it right?
Yeah, you did it right.
Dang. Let me try.
I'm pretty sure that's how it's supposed to do.
Yeah, that looks better than. Yeah, I did it. I don't like how the bag.
Oh, good job, babe. You can install a shift now.
Thanks. We'll check. I don't like it. It's super small. And it doesn't
Hand me the old
It
one.
looks good like this though.
So yeah, guys, I had this one, which is like the Neochrome, to match my steering wheel. But we're gonna be replacing that soon. With what kind of steering wheel?
Momo.
Or a Vertex. He's trying to race, so alright, later guys, peace out.